Hello,
Hey, hi. Hey,
nice
hi.
to meet you. How are you going on?
Nice to meet you. Yeah, I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm also fine, thank you. Where are you from?
So I'm from California.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
little bit. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, yeah, a little bit background. So actually, me and my friend bought a store in bubble tea, which he was running for a long time. But actually, I didn't pay any attention, so it was running in a huge losses. So now I'm spending a bit of time to get the business back. So the few things he has asked to me to help is like on ads thing. So I started with Google Ads and created a campaign, but I was not sure how is it working. And also the another thing is I don't know whether Google is the best thing or should we also use Instagram. So that's when I started looking like Upwork and Fiverr. I looked at both the places, and it seems like you've done a pretty good job. So I just want your help to see to improve our business basically.
my voice is chopped.
Now it's good. Yeah.
Okay. So, according to your voice, according to your pronunciation and everything, I think you are from India by born. Or
Yeah. I was India. Yeah, I was from India. I just moved to United States. I'm living here since long time. So yeah,
that's good. That's good.
yeah.
So we are
So
almost
where?
in similar country. I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so at first, please let me see the website. Then I will visit the website and then I will provide you some information and I will ask some question regarding the business. Then we can move ahead and we can set up a contract that working.
Sure. What website do you need? The Google page?
No, not the Google page. Your business, you do not have any website for your business?
No. So this is bubble tea shop. Bubble tea is like drink place, like physical store.
Oh. Is there is
Uh,
no online presence like
so far no, but like we are adding into Uber Eats and the online platforms.
for
But
a drink store that means you are selling wine or
no. Bubble tea. I don't know whether you know. Like those are like you can think of like smoothies.
no idea.
Oh, okay. Let me show you.
Okay.
We have maybe I think let me send you.
Yeah, you can share your screen also. Here you can see the green color share button.
Yeah, I know. So this is our Instagram page. Can you see the
Okay.
screen?
Yeah, I think it's look like crashers and desired items.
Yeah. So these are the things. So these are the things we sell actually. The milk, smoothies, coffee, and boba. This is our store location, and basically this is
There
our profile.
Google business page. You do not have
Yeah.
website, but you have a Google business profile and the main focus is local store visit, right?
Yeah, the main focus is local store visit for now. But like, yeah, the main focus is local store visit. That's it.
Okay. We can handle the Google Ads local store visit campaign or local service campaign for that. That will be more easier. As far as there is no website, we do not need to do a big hassle for the conversion tracking and pixel setup. And you have a Facebook business page for your business.
No Facebook page.
Okay, then fine. For
So do you want to?
direction,
So I think so far only we have Instagram page.
understand. So Facebook and Instagram is the same product of Meta.
Yeah, so I think
Okay.
we need to run ads in the meta ad center if you want to. Yeah.
Actually, I am working on Google and Meta combinedly for the advertising analytics and conversion tracking. Right at this moment, you do not have the website, so conversion tracking and pixel setup, a big issue, is completely not necessary for us as we do not have any website. It's a local business. Local store visit is the main focus. So, close Zoom juicy bar. Okay,
Or the option is
please.
actually we are. I don't know. You know the Uber Eats.
Sorry.
Do you know the Uber Eats? The Uber Eats, like the online ordering platform.
Online food delivery, right?
Yeah, so we are also uh, tying up with that thing. Maybe in couple of days we will get that set up, so we can use that one as well.
But ultimately,
Like,
when we run campaign, at least we need to show people that this is our website, this is our product, this is our video or the audio. At least we need a landing page. Without a landing page, how we can promote the different order platforms,
oh, okay. So I
and
know what
how
you're saying.
and how we can track that how many purchases happening, how many people interested, like something like that.
Okay. I think that's where, like, one of the thing mm, I didn't got actually, like, how to do it. Let me see
And
what I did.
here, right at this moment, according to your condition of the Google Ad account, so only one campaign we can run. I think you are running campaign a little bit different way, but I
Yeah, I
will
started.
yeah,
Yeah.
I will make a plan regarding the local store visit performance max campaign, maybe initially, and also there will be some search themes, and also there will be some special asset grouping regarding the product.
So
Maybe
yeah.
menu specific targeting will be there. And I need to research actually what campaign type we should go move forward.
Okay. Okay. I think that would be great actually. So far, if you can see, I just added bunch of images and advertising it.
So for example,
This is what
if
I have
I
so far,
am
maybe.
if I am in the location, how can
Uh-huh.
I see your business in the Google? If I search Google that Blue Zone Juicy Bar, then I will see the
Yeah.
result, right?
Yeah, you will see the directions to the store. That's all.
Oh, okay, okay.
And some images. But the
Also,
next step,
also there is a
the web,
phone call option, right?
yeah.
Phone call, yeah. For then phone call generation will be also a great opportunity to increase sales.
Oh, is it okay?
Okay, phone call extension is necessary. Get direction extension is necessary. Location extension necessary. Video. Do you have a
And
lot of videos and creatives?
we have some videos, but not a lot. Let me show.
At least I will need five videos. Only 15,
Five videos.
yeah, only 15-second duration, not bigger videos, and it will be square shape, 1:1 ratio.
Okay. So far, I don't have any videos. I think all I have is photos. I have some videos here,
You can
but you
convert
want me
those
to?
photos to the videos with the AI help, no problem.
Sure.
Okay, at first let me audit the ad account and provide information. Please send me the link of the Google page, then I can do some research
Yeah,
on it.
yeah, sounds good. Thank you. Let me share it with you right now.
Can you please let me know about the daily budgeting? How much you're going to spend on Google?
So we want to. So I don't know actually. You should suggest that thing too. But like, we want
Uh,
to go very expensive. Now I think our budget is going to be like $30 per day.
okay, so can you please let me know the average order value of your food?
Sorry,
Can you please let me know the average order value of your food?
well, I didn't get, like, what do you mean?
Hi, আমি একটু পরে বলবো। Average order value of the food.
Oh, order food. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So you want those as well?
Average order value, that means how much amount I need to pay for a product. For I order a glass of juice. The
Oh, okay.
price
It's around
variation
$7 to $10.
$7 to $10. Then $30 per day will be fine to start. I think dollars. Okay, let me calculate. Okay,
Yeah,
I can calculate later and then I can provide you details, message. I don't remember.
yeah. So
Okay, thank
do you
you.
prefer
Yeah, now
money with
now
Fiverr or like for other
no, no,
things?
always Fiverr. As long as you contact me through Fiverr, we will keep our communication lifetime on Fiverr only,
Okay.
because these platforms providing me jobs, payments, and these platforms take me to my university level, now a big higher level, and provided me a pro base, top rated base, a lot of praising things. So obviously, we are very
Yeah.
respectful and loyal to these platforms, right?
No, 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 no. Definitely. The reason I asked is because I think I saw you on other platform as well, Upwork. I think you
I'm
have the
sure
different
that
price.
if
Yeah.
you see any if you search anywhere, then you will see me. I am 100% sure, because on that platforms I have also top rated. These platforms I am also top rated. So it's a common thing.
Yeah, I think it's like I just want to get the best rate, and you also want to get the best money, right? So I'm just thinking like, what's the good budget for both of us that
So
would work? Yeah.
for the budgeting, I think after doing the initial steps of the research and analysis, I am very happy to provide you a custom pricing that will be perfect for your business and also my service.
Okay, sounds good. It's nice
Okay.
talking to you, man. Yeah.
Thank
Yeah.
you. If you have any question, please just send me a message in the Fiverr inbox.
Yeah. So uh, let me share also my email address so you can reach
No, no,
out to
no, no, no,
me.
no, no. Please do not do that before starting the project. Before
Oh, okay.
starting the contract, we cannot share any personal information.
Oh, so only I need to reach out through Fiverr. Okay.
Yeah, Fiverr. Yeah. At
Okay.
least,
So then,
at least until we make a contract. When the
oh, okay.
contract is running according to the project need, you can communicate with me everywhere, every channel. But all the
Okay.
payment and all the important transactional system, all the things will be inside Fiverr.
Okay. If that's the case, yeah. I don't check this mail occasionally. When do you want me to check back? It's night for us. Do you want me to check morning? Can I expect you? Can I expect
Uh,
something tomorrow
what
morning?
time is it now in California?
10:30 p.m. 10:30 night.
Okay, then you are. It's Friday or it's
Thurs. Today is Thursday. So
Thursday.
tomorrow is
Oh,
Friday.
then you are in the past and I am in the future. Okay, so it's
Yeah.
my
So
Friday.
I think Friday morning. I know. So it's
Yeah,
your around.
Friday
It's your
morning.
11
So
p.m. Right?
yes. So if
11 a.m.
you 11 a.m. Yes, if you feel free that your morning time and your office time is fine. I usually work in the American daytime office time,
Oh, okay.
and morning time. I just woke up today by any chance, and some of my Australian clients.
Okay.
So no problem. You send me a message. I will reply you within 1 hour maximum.
Okay. Sounds good. Yeah. I'll give you some time till tomorrow, today evening, your time, and I'll
Yeah.
get see the message from you, and we can take it from there.
Okay. Thank you. Have a good time.
Have a good time. Nice meeting you, Asad. Yeah. See you. Bye.
Pleased to talk with you. Bye.